Hey, what's up guys, what's going on? Hope you are good. Welcome back to this channel. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I release a new video just like this. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be sharing something new to you guys. Okay, I'm going to be sharing something very interesting. Okay, you know as a price action trader or as a trader, you are looking for two things. First, you want to know or you want to understand when the price will reverse from maybe a downtrending market to an uptrending market, or from an uptrending market to a downtrending market. That's for swing traders, and in fact every traders want to know when the price is going to reverse, and that's exactly what each and every one of us as a trader might be interested in, right? Because you want to know if the price, maybe if the price is pushing up and you see a zone, you want to know if the price will reverse from there so that you buy or you sell, right? And the second thing we are looking for is a signal, or how to know when the price will continue pushing up or pushing down. That is the trend continuation. We are looking at trend reversal and trend continuation. That is exactly what every trader is looking for. A strategy that we actually, or a signal or anything at all, any price action that we kind of give you that signal of trend reversal or trend continuation. And that's exactly why we are learning patterns, candlesticks, trend lines, support and resistance, anything, you can actually mention a lot. But basically the reason why we are doing that is to understand reversals or trend continuation. And I'm going to be sharing with you another secret on reversal, right? On how to know when the price is weak and about to reverse to the opposite direction, right? And when you now apply this information I'm going to pass across today with the price action information we already have, that is on support, resistance, trend lines, then you will see yourself becoming a better trader or profitable trader the more, right? So when you see these signals I'm going to share with you guys now, and you are seeing them close to your support or resistance, then you are likely going to be having more better entry than before. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you this on candlesticks. So basically on this trade, I'm actually looking at the price hitting this level. Okay, I'm looking at the price hitting this level, and this is about 222 pips. 1:6.5 risk reward. So the risk reward is high, and the trade is looking, the movement is also nice. Okay, though we are not seeing actually a massive movement right here because the US market is still closed by now, so maybe in few hours time there will be a massive movement on this, right? So, and the question might be, how do you actually know that okay, this price is going to reverse from here and probably push up to this level? Okay, and that is exactly the signal I'm going to share with you. Very simple stuff here, but first I will take you back to our usual strategy or entry or setup, which is identifying a support level or resistance level, or identifying a pattern, then use the pattern to make your entry, right? So now on this trade, okay, first I won't take you to support and resistance because you already know how to do that. So if you have not actually watched the videos on support and resistance, you can actually check my previous videos on support and resistance and trend line, then you understand how to draw it. So now if I go up to maybe let me start from daily, okay, for you to see my lines in place. Okay, let me start from daily. All right, so this is daily time frame. So on daily time frame I have all my lines in place, support, resistance, everything in place, and trend lines. Okay, possibly you can see this particular channel, descending channel right here. So I have another if you look here, simply the price pushed down to my my trend line, which is this line. And one interesting thing about this push is not just because the price have pushed to this level. I taught you guys the first touch, okay, we had the second touch, and we have the third touch right here, okay. Then what the price did was to come back to retest this touch, which is giving us that double bottom right here. This is a very good setup. Okay, we have 1 2 3 touch, and at that touch we had the price retrace back to give us this double bottom right here. So now we are not just entering because we had the first, second and third touch. We are not just entering because the price is at our support zone. This is a support zone on a higher time frame, okay. You know, I've taught you guys how to put in your supports. You can see I had some of them with white lines, some with blue lines. You should know the reasons. I have my support on higher time frames and my support on lower time frames. So this is a very strong support because it's a higher time frame support level, okay. So the price is at that level, and I have my double top also here, and I have my trend line also here. Then the pattern the price created here is also double bottom, right? That is W pattern. So now with this, I already know that, okay, the price is likely going to reverse at this zone, right? But now, what is the signal? What is this thing that I will see to confirm this particular where I will actually enter the trade? Because when you see the price dropping this way, okay, to this level, likely you are going to say, okay, the price might continue to the downside due to the candlestick. The price is printing at this zone, okay. This is a very strong candlestick, momentum candlestick right here. So how do you now make entry on this kind of trade, or how do you now know that the price is going to reverse from this zone, okay, and push up maybe to this level, or break out, retest, and keep going to the upside? How do you now know exact place to enter? Okay, and that's what we are here. I'm here today to share with you guys. Now what I need to do is to go to a lower time frame, maybe 4 hours, because this is daily time frame. So I can actually go down to 4 hours time frame to see the kind of candlestick the price is printing down here. So there are ways which I'm going to be bringing more series on this, okay. This is just like first section on this particular reversal signal, right? I'm going to bring more signals for reversal. So if you are on a trade, maybe you are selling or buying, when the price started printing that kind of candlestick, you should have it in mind that there might be a reversal. So what do I mean? There's something called shrinking candlestick. When the candlesticks are reducing in size. Let's say that the candlestick have been pushing up. Let me just use this, okay. So if this is a candlestick, okay, let's say that this is a bearish candlestick, okay. So let's say the price is dropping from here, another candlestick right here. Sorry, let me get this. So this is another bearish candle, okay. So now the price keep printing this kind of candlestick, right? So if the price is printing this kind of candlestick, if you are seeing this, and maybe you have your support, a very strong support level here, okay, and what you see next is the candlestick to the recent candle might be like this, okay. So please, for the fact you have a very strong support here and the candlestick that the price is printing is this way, please, you should avoid taking this, no matter how strong this support level is, because the candlestick, the candlestick being printed is like, it's just trying to share with you the kind of momentum the sellers are coming in with, okay. A lot of people are shorting this particular commodity or pair or indices, any of them, because of the candlestick the price is printing. You should avoid making entry right here, even if you have your support level here and even trend line here or any pattern forming around here, but the kind of candlestick the price is printing is a kind of signal that the price is likely going to break that your level, Okay, so this is actually known as momentum candlesticks. So but what if we have something like this instead? So you now have this, okay, then the next one maybe this way. So you can see as the price is coming down, the candlestick is shrinking or reducing in size at this zone. Okay, when the price is coming down to your zone, the candlestick is reducing in size. Now you start having wicks right here. You start having wicks right here. Okay, I'm trying to just, I'm using my free hand right here. So let's say that this now start having wicks, then another candlestick might form. Actually, maybe now you have a bullish candle right here with wicks again. Let's say that this is a bullish candle. So you now have a bullish candle with wicks again, and it's still a shrinking candle. You might have 2 or 3 or 4 shrinking candles around here. So that is a signal that, oh, these sellers are losing their strength and buyers are coming in a bit. Okay, buyers are coming in. So when you see this kind of stuff, okay, you just wait. You just need to wait for one thing. First, you have seen that the price is pushing with momentum, then coming close to your zone, the candlestick starts shrinking or reducing in size with wicks. Now you now see these wicks, and you discover that if it is bearish, okay, if all this price like this one is now bearish, and you now see bullish candle around this zone, that means buyers have actually entered the trade. When they discover that the sellers are now weak, buyers have entered the trade. So what you are just waiting for is just one massive bullish candle, right? You want to see a momentum bullish candle, a push or a spike to the upside a bit. Okay, just need a spike to the upside or bullish engulfing for you to make entry on this kind of trade, on this kind of price action. So now what I just shared with you is going to change your trading. Just wait for the price to come to your zone. Okay, maybe support, resistance, trend line. Look at the kind of candlestick the price is printing. Remember, if the price started maybe printing the shrinking candle or candlestick reduction in size just maybe in the middle of nowhere without support or resistance, what we are going to be expecting is a kind of consolidation before continuation. Like it's going to be a continuation pattern. What I mean is, if the price is pushing down impulsively, let's say from here the price is pushing down impulsively, so at this point there is no, you are not seeing any support, no resistance, no trend line, and you start seeing those shrinking candlesticks around here, just know that the price is creating a pattern for continuation. So this could be a bearish flag, it could be any pattern at all. Then the price is likely going to break out from that zone and keep pushing to the downside. But when you see that shrinking candle around your zone this way, okay, this is let's say that this is a support level or trend line, okay, then you are seeing those shrinking candle. Then at that point you now see a spike a bit, just a bullish candle, a strong momentum candlestick, that is a momentum candlestick to the upside. Okay, you are likely going to be having the price push up, right? So this is exactly what happened right there. Okay, so now if you look closely at this zone, let me just reduce this. The price push, like what I explained now, you see this place, you had this correction or consolidation here, shrinking candlesticks. So after that shrinking candlesticks, the price break that zone and push to the downside. If you look here, let's just look at the current price action around here. If you look here, the price pushed down and you had this small candlestick, which is the candlestick started shrinking at this zone. Then after you discover this massive bullish movement, you start thinking of buying, okay, because you have seen that buyers have actually entered this trade with power or high momentum right here, so you are likely going to see the price push up, okay. So each time you see these shrinking candles, the price is likely going to respect and reverse. So when you now see them like here, the price push with momentum, this is 4 hours time frame, and at this zone about 24 hours, like this is about the 4 hours, that is about 12 hours, the price have been ranging within a zone, okay. That means we are likely going to be seeing a reversal. So what I discovered is this first shrinking candle, the second one, okay, which is about 12 hours. So what you really need to do is simply, if you are not entering your trade on 4 hours, you just need to go to lower time frame and enter the trade using pattern, and that's exactly what I did. Now you see these particular 2 candlesticks, okay, is a signal that the price is going to reverse. Now we already know that we had the first, second and third touch. Now we had the double bottom right here, and at that zone the price started shrinking, reducing, the candlestick started reducing in size, okay. That means we are likely going to reverse from that zone to the upside. And when I now go down to a lower time frame, which is most time I enter my trade on 1 hour or 15 minutes, and at that zone I'm not using candlesticks, okay. On 15 minutes I don't use candlesticks, on 1 hour I don't even use candlesticks, so I prefer using candlesticks on 4 hours, but on 15 minutes I use pattern. So on 15 minutes I simply saw this descending triangle, then I needed, if you look inside here, you are having this shrinking candlesticks right here. So I needed just a massive impulsive candle, which is this candle actually, okay. So after the breakout you see this candlestick, okay, which is impulsive also to the upside. Then I made my entry at that zone, which is right here, okay. I made my entry after that candlestick. So when you see this, you can actually see after that the price actually changed to the upside, and we are targeting the next swing. That is our trend line above, which is this line, okay. That is the point. So we are actually maybe 40% into profit on this trade. So, and we are expecting that the price is likely going to hit our TP at this zone, okay. So now if you look, this particular setup is very simple. You don't need to waste time once you see this kind of setup. Now you have a lot of things. You have your double bottom, you have your support line, you have your triple touches, then you have these shrinking candlesticks on a higher time frame, then you discover a pattern on a lower time frame for you to make entry. So this is exactly a game-changing strategy for me, and I don't really know why I'm sharing all these strategies with you guys. I know a lot of us have suffered in this market, so you need to be relieved from a lot of suffering. Trading the forex market. Forex is something you can do, everybody can do, and that is exactly why I thought it's wise to bring all this well-detailed setup to you guys, so that I can actually start seeing significant amount of money or profit in this market. So all you have to do just to support this channel is to simply smash that like button for me, guys. Share these videos so that wider audience will have access to this kind of information, and also subscribe if you are new to my channel, okay. And even if you are not new and you have been watching my videos, you are not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to leave a comment on the kind of videos you want me to create, or show me how ready you are to see more contents like this. I told you I'm going to be bringing more series on price reversal or trend continuation. So if you want to see more of this, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Welcome back again. So as I promised you guys that I will be bringing back the outcome of these trades, right? So yesterday we actually entered this trade on USD Swiss franc, and you can see what is happening now after this spike, and our TP was hit. So I initially targeted this zone, okay, but because of the spike, I'm seeing it, maybe the price will consolidate a lot around here, okay. So there's no need of waiting after I've caught the big move, so I just have to close out the trade right there, right? So basically you can see how these things work. I told you guys I'll be bringing back the outcome of the trade, whether it's going wrong or it's going right. I don't know, this week is have been so nice. I wanted to bring you guys like a losing trade this week, so that you guys will see maybe if the price go against me, I'm still going to drop it here, not just the winning trade. But quite fortunate or something, the price decided to, all my trade this week have been amazing, and in fact I don't know how to say, but my trade this week, I have not hit my stop loss throughout this week. So that's the reason why you are seeing this review or this kind of live trading, all of them hitting TP. Sometimes it doesn't happen that way, right? Sometimes my trade will hit stop loss, but maybe this week is so good based on my strategy and my setup, and everything was just going well. So all my trades this week, none of them has hit stop loss or even break even, right? All of them have been TP level. So that's exactly the reason why I'm bringing this. So some people will be like, does it mean that you don't lose any trade and all that? No, I lose trades, right? But you know what we do here, we are looking at the risk reward, and we're also looking at the higher probability setup. Okay, I have a high probability trade setup, okay, that keeps me winning more or hitting my TP more than my stop loss. And whenever I catch it big. If I'm losing small. That's what will keep you profitable in this market. So I don't have to start repeating how we enter this trade, because I've already explained it in the earlier in this video, right? Because this is like me trying to share with you the outcome of the trade, using basically our support resistance, and we had kind of double bottom right here. So, and from there with 1 2 3 touch, so we have the 1 2 3 touch right here also, and that is exactly what actually pushed me to enter this trade. Remember our zone, which is the support zone, and we had a trend line here, double bottom right here. All these things I've explained it in this channel, so that's why I've given you the basic of my setup. I told you guys that more than 70% of my setup is here on YouTube. I started to make it open and throw it out there for you guys to actually start making money. So once you put those things together, like what I did here now, you are definitely going to become a profitable trader. I actually entered the trade using support, trend line, double bottom, that's all. Then I zoom in and discover the pattern, because I entered on a lower time frame, so I needed a pattern for my entry, and boom, after the pattern I make entry, and yeah, that's exactly what I did. Okay, so guys, that's that for this video. If you love what I'm doing here, please smash the like button for me. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Also leave a comment, tell me how you feel about these videos and the kind of videos you want me to create in the subsequent video. And also you can join the Telegram link. I will drop a link in the description of this video if you want to join the group, for you to get notification on time based on my activities and my videos. You can also join the group I'll be dropping in the description, okay, if you wish to join the Telegram group. All right, so that's that for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys.